Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool automatic electric, a GTE Rotary desk telephone, and this is George's equipment from Iowa. And this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. And we want to run through a little bit about what's going on. George has a note with this unit, and he's having an issue with the rotary dial. It's very sluggish. And he also has an issue with the volume of the audio for the receiver, the handset. And so we want to go ahead and show you this telephone. It's in very good condition for its age, and we have the cover loose, so we want to set that to the side and give you a look at this unit. We also want to install a new end for the modular plug, so we'll take care of that. We're going to go through the rotary. Very sluggish. That will be cleaned, oiled, and adjusted. We want to take a look at his network. We want to make sure that the issue with the receive volume is not coming from the network. So we're going to go ahead and troubleshoot that, give you a look at this unit. You don't see a lot of these automatic electrics out there, so it's pretty cool that it's in the shop. It's basically a telephone from when Automatic Electric got together with GTE, and we have a tag that says 1983, so 9/11 of 83, and that was the purchase from GTE. That's that date. So it's a very cool telephone. Looks like we might have another date here. It looks like a date code. Might be 1975. So we want to go through everything on this telephone while it's in the shop. We're going to go ahead and give you a look at the rotary dial. It's a pretty cool design they had, where the rotary dial just slips into its brackets, and it does not want to return very well. Give you a look at that. Now, these telephones were not known for their audio. They took a lot of voltage out of the telephone line, and if the telephone line is not in real good condition and the voltages are not up to the standards, then you probably would have a low receive. This gives you a look at the receiver capsule, and we want to troubleshoot the network, make sure that the issue is not coming from the network, and then we also want to troubleshoot the receiver capsule. It may be going bad, and we may have to go to a different style receiver capsule and try to match up the impedance better, where you don't have as much resistance, and that way the audio level would come up. We have a lot of work that needs to be done, so we want to go ahead and get a start on this unit with the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this really cool automatic electric GTE rotary desk telephone. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool automatic electric GTE rotary desk telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to run through a little bit about what went on with this unit. We went ahead and cleaned, oiled, and adjusted the rotary dial, and now we have a nice smooth return on our rotary. We had an issue with the receiver capsule, and we went ahead and troubleshooted the network. The issue was the receiver capsule, and we tried replacing this receiver capsule with other receiver capsules of the same model, and it just did not have a good receive. So we went ahead and went to a receiver capsule that looks just like this receiver capsule, and it has a better impedance match, and so it has less resistance. And what happens is the volume, the audio will come up when you have less resistance and a better impedance match. So that was installed. We went ahead and troubleshooted the handset cord, our transmit. We did troubleshoot the network, and that network turned out to be okay, but the spade connectors that connect into the network were kind of loose, and so we went ahead and soldered those connections so that they would not pull away from the network. We went through the hook switch and the bell circuit. Now we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And we have a pickup located at the network on the inside of the telephone, and that's where we're going to pick up our audio from. I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it, and when I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static, interference, or noise in the atmosphere. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it. Press it one more time and release it. If you hear any type of interference or noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. We want to go ahead and use the analyzer and send a ring cycle, so we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our unit up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, it's dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
Today is Monday, June 26th. The current time, 9:02 p.m. and the temperature, 68 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We can call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. We'll make that call. go ahead and hang our unit up. Now that we know that this really cool automatic electric GTE rotary desk telephone has been repaired, we can return it to George and he can enjoy this telephone once again. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.